Trikay'S book.
Hi friends, this is Trikay's book again. I'm Trikay. Today we are going to make rainbow in a glass. We need 4 cups. So the pouring of this cup, we're going to use 5 glasses and red food color, you see, red food color and yellow food color and green food color and blue food color. To make them pretty, we're going to mix with these spoons, these spoons. These popsicles, I think so. So, look, this yummy sugar, this sugar. Okay. Please use the assistance of your family, your mom or dad, to help this, water, because this is warm water. It's kind of hot, so be careful. So I'm going to put 3 scoops on each glass of hot and warm water. Okay. So we're going to put 1 scoop and 2 scoop and 3 scoop. Let me take some tissue to wipe the excess water, okay? Just wipe it here. Okay. Look. This is the last glass we're going to go, so we got all the water is done, so let's put it here. Now time, so sweet sugar time. We are going to put the first glass 1 scoop. Oops. Just don't worry. We will clean it up later. Next is we are going to get 2 scoops of full sugar. Now we are going to put 3 scoops of that. 3. So now we got the 3 now. Put it a little bit far so I can kind of see the water we are going to put. Okay? Little big scoop. 1, 2, 3. 4. Now your favorite moment, kids. You're going to stir the water with some spoons. Teas. Okay. We are going to mix the water really well. Oh, the biggest one. That's enough. And it is the sugar. My hands are getting sugar. The whole water and the sugar bit in the, table. So let's wipe it a little bit to get that sugar away. So we are going to each color. The first one, we are going to put some red color. Okay, we are going to put the red. Red is look like strawberry color. Dip in one. I'm gonna wait to the color. Okay, we got 1 color. Close it tightly so it will never look like not using one, okay? Let's just put some yellow dye. A little bit more. That will be not hurting. Oh, drop. So let's stir it. I'm so funny. Okay. I think we got only one more stick, so let's try to do 2 colors. Okay. I think green. I'm going to take dark green. I mean, any kind of green. Just buy in any store. It's thicker. It's getting thicker. Right? Almost there to make the perfect green color. Okay. I'm going to wipe it because the last color blue. So so many density, even more than just. Oh, cannot take the full color out. Maybe it will not mix. Yeah, maybe. If we mix green and blue, it will get a darker blue. Okay. Even you don't like dark blue. Okay, colors getting my hand. Don't worry. We can wash it and let our parents. If you have one. The fourth one have more density, and the red one, because one have the lowest density. Okay, and up and down in my neck. Let's wait for 10 minutes to cool down. The time is over, so we can make a rainbow in a glass. This time we're going to put careful. Now we can pour it carefully, as slowly as we can. Please look the magic of density. We can make rainbow glass. That's amazing, and we can learn density from it. So go ahead. This is Trikay's book. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell. Bye bye.